Hey guys, my name is Vivian from ThePaperLetterBlog, and today we're opening another mystery package. That sounds kind of weird, like I've received a package and I don't know who it's from, but I mean like a mystery bag, a mystery box. Basically, you pay a certain amount of money and then you will get a random selection of goodies from a web shop or an Etsy store or whatever. And it's all a big surprise. And this one, although the envelope doesn't give anything away, this one is actually one that I've been wanting to do for so long. This store is kind of amazing. I've been wanting to do a mystery bag, mystery box, mystery envelope for so long, but I thought I would save it for a special moment. And what is more special than almost Christmas? So we're going to open this box. You probably read it in the title already, but it is from Nikki Dotti. If you do not know who Nikki Dotti is, I highly recommend you go follow her Instagram page. I'm not saying this for any reason other than that I am super excited. She makes the most pretty things, and most importantly, she has a really cool style of wrapping up presents, and I really hope that in this package you will also get to see some of that amazingly wrapped amazing wrapping skills of her. So I'm going to open this. I received this yesterday, but I came home from work when it was dark, so of course I cannot film when it is dark, so I'm just going to open it now, and we will get straight into it. So in here could be stamps, stickers, paper, stamps, sticker, paper, stamps, sticker, paper, what else? I have no clue. We have a little note. It says, "Hi Vivian, I'll have a lot of fun with unwrapping. Love, Nikki." There's one thing though, I also ordered something. I ordered ink, an ink pad. So I don't know which one is the ink pad, but hopefully we will figure that out soon. So okay, a cute little card. I know this is her own design as well, I think. And then we already have another, oh, this is actually her this is actually her how do you call that, her card, like her information. But I'm definitely going to use this for decorating, because how beautiful is that? This is also a stamp she has, and I've been looking at her stamps for so long. I actually ordered one. You have seen me use it before. It's the one with the mushrooms I keep using in my fall themed mail, and that is why I was also so excited about this package, because who knows, another stamp might be in here. And then also she has this really cute sheet of like a little freebie with these beautiful hand-drawn stickers that I absolutely adore. Before I start opening this though, I do want to say that I paid for this myself. This is not sponsored in any way. I don't think, like I said, I am a normal paying customer who simply decided to make a video out of it. But yeah, Nikki doesn't know I'm going to do a video of this. I just placed my order, and yeah, we will see. I'm so excited. I will just get started. As you can see, this is what I meant by her beautiful wrapping style. On her Instagram you will see more of these, you know, she always uses beautiful stickers and vintage stamps and regular stamps, like, you know, stamping on the paper, as you can see here, vintage paper, and wax seal stamps. I absolutely adore this. I'm definitely going to try and save the packaging in some way. Oh, by the way, before I finally start opening this, I want to say that on her website you can choose between different value packs, and the value I chose was 20 euros. So the goodies in there should be 20 euros, and then of course the ink I ordered. Okay, I'm just going to start now because I'm so excited. And I really hope there's something she made in there as well. Oh, what is this? It seems to be wrapped again. Ooh, a stamp. Ooh. It's a stamp and it says "keep dry." I don't know what I would use that for, but do I love stamps. I'm just going to open this little package. Keep dry. So yeah, of course I would use that for mail, I guess, but Although it is very, very pretty, I don't know if I will be able to find a good use for this, but it is kind of cute and I do love stamps. So that is my first find. And then this is the second. I'm really hoping for a stamp from her own design. This is, I think this might actually be my ink pad. Yeah, this is the ink I ordered, so this is not actually part of the mystery pack. This is a VersaFine small ink pad in a dark green color. Because I was already paying for shipping costs, so I figured why not add a pretty color of ink. See that? The color is called Spanish Moss. You know what? We're just gonna try the stamp and the ink. Cute! Oh, I think I really like this color. That is the color. I hope you can see it. It's kind of dark today. I really like it because I really love ink, but the colors I have so far are kind of light and this one is a bit more dark. So let us open this beautiful package. And by the way, look at the wax seal stamp. She has beautiful flowers. She also sells them on her website, I think, and I'm always tempted when she has those beautiful designs. I'm not going to buy them, but oh boy, is that pretty. How can I open this without actually damaging it? I really want to save everything. Okay, there we go. I don't think I've mentioned it yet, but Nikki Dotti is Dutch. So her webshop is Dutch. And I can see now that sadly, the inside of this package isn't wrapped. So this is like the, of course, okay, it makes sense. This is the wrapping. So I'll take them out one by one as to not spoil everything in one go. Wow, this is really my style. Oh my god. This is a washi tape roll, a masking tape roll, and it's called 7 Herbs of Spring. Wow, I can already see that I love this. That's also what I love about Nikki Dotti's Instagram page. I have to say, she uses a lot of vintage, and although I like vintage, I don't love it as much as she does. But I did know that going into this mystery bag, I would love most of the content because her style is one that I really like. And we have this beautiful masking tape. Oh my god, I already know a pen pal who will love this. Roxanne, if you're watching this. Wow, this is beautiful. 7 Herbs of Spring. And then of course the 7 herbs. And I like it. This is going to sound a little bit weird, but what I like about this washi tape is that it is vertical. Because most washi tapes are horizontal. This one is actually vertical, and I don't know why, but I quite like that. So this is the washi tape. Love the vibrant colors. I love the quality. I love how much is on the roll. This one is definitely Vivian approved. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Are you guys seeing this? I put it on my table and the washi tape actually managed to take the paint off of my table. How is that even possible? Luckily, this is our kitchen table now. I'm a little bit sad, but this is our kitchen table and we're moving in 3 months, and then I'll be using this as my craft table, so probably it will get a lot worse than this. But how did that even happen? What is this washi tape? I'm a little bit scared to put it on paper now. Let me try what happens when I put it on paper. Or is my table that old that it is literally letting loose? I mean, I've had it since I started living on my own, which is 6 years ago. IKEA! Let's see what happens when you put it on paper. Oh, the paper is actually fine. That's really weird. How come my table and the paper is like totally fine. So I was a little bit afraid of using this, and then, you know, what I love about washi tape is that you can always reapply it. So I was a little bit afraid of the washi tape damaging the paper. but that is totally fine. As you can see, the paper is fine and there's nothing on the back, but it did damage my table. Note to self, never try washi tape on your table. And then next up is something flat. Ooh, I think it's a postcard. Yep, it's a pretty postcard with a cactus on it. And immediately I already know which pen pal I'm going to share this with. No spoilers. That's really pretty, I quite like that. And what is this? Wooden stick. Oh, I get it. This is like, oh, it's called print. I was like, why did I get a stick? But print on stickers. So what you do is you put this on paper and then you can like scrape it, and then for in some way it transfers to the paper. Cut out the desired pen to rememberly. Use tools to press on. I'm just going to try this. Just going to try this. So sadly, no Nikki Dotti stamp. It feels quite funny. I've never actually had this before. I'm going to pick a random shape to try out. And then, ooh, okay. I hope this works. I mean, you have to press it on. Oh, this is weird. I don't know how many times I have to do this, but do you reckon that'll be alright? Oh, yes. Oh, wow. Well, that actually worked so much better than I expected. Okay, so we have like random print on shapes, which is kind of cool for decorating. Ooh, that's quite nice. Okay, so in the mystery pack we had this keep dry stamp, the print on stickers, the postcard, and the masking tape. I do have to say that although I love the items, I feel a little bit, it doesn't really feel like a whole lot considering that I ordered a 20 euro pack. I know that she uses a great quality product, but to me, maybe I would have liked a little bit a bigger variety of stuff. But I was actually thinking about it when I found that this in the mailbox yesterday. Would you guys prefer, if you ordered a mystery pack, would you guys prefer more items of lower value or a smaller amount of items but of higher value? So I know, for example, this masking tape is quite expensive. Would you prefer this one piece of expensive washi tape, or for example 2 pieces of cheap washi tape? I was actually thinking about it. I do have to say that I would normally pick, I would normally pick less items of higher value. So then of course this pack is kind of what I would have opted for. But especially because I have so much stuff, I literally have no more space for it. But I don't know if I would have paid 20 euros for this if I would have known upfront that I was going to get 4 items. But all of that aside, I do have to say that I quite like the content. I will find great use for the masking tape, the card, and of course the stickers, and the stamp I still have to figure out. And I'm of course quite happy with the ink pad that I ordered. And her wrapping is simply beautiful. So, okay, that is this extra little video for today. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. I hope you subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And I will see you again very, very soon. Let me know in the comments down below which was your favorite item, by the way. Okay, bye-bye.